my father's voice.
Hi guys.
Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel.
If you guys are new here,
I'm Ada.
and I'm Jorge.
And our son is actually sleeping right now.
His name's Junior. We're about to do a fall haul.
We went to Hobby Lobby and we went to Home Goods and we did a lot of shopping.
A lot.
And we wanted to show you guys what we got.
We don't even think we're done yet.
Yes.
But
we got a lot of it.
Yeah, we did. So we're about to show you guys, and let's start with. What do you want to start with?
Let's start like this, honey. This first thing that we purchased, where do we get this, honey?
Thanksgiving sign. I think we got this at Home Goods, and we saw it like one of those things that it was in the back of things, and we spotted it. We're like, oh, we can use this for more than just this year. Pretty sturdy. Use this every year.
Yes, and we're also going to be filming a fall decorate with us, so make sure that you guys watch that video so you guys know where we put all this stuff that we got. So the next thing we got were these little acorns. I think that's what they're called, right, honey?
Yeah, they look like little acorns, but it's just, we got them because they're like, there's like, I don't know, look at them. They represent fall. Like, that's what you think about, colors like that. And we probably gonna put something together, like a little, little basket or something.
Yes. They're called bowl fillers. And this, we actually got this one at Target. Forgot that we went to Target.
Oh yeah, we went to Target too. Yeah, we were just all over the place.
Yes, so this is going to be part of the decorate with us. Probably gonna fill up something like Jorge said we were going to.
So we got some placemats, again, going with the fall theme. Got little pumpkins on it. Got a couple of them. We got four of them. Even though now we should have got two more. Yes. Now that we're looking at it, because we have a table for 6.
This is why we said, guys, that we are most likely probably not done. Look, guys, looks like it has these little things right here. And this was at Home Goods. Also from Home Goods, and they are
little decorative pumpkins. Then a lot more acorns and just little things that, you know, like what Ada just said. We're gonna use some of these to decorate that. And we saw these and it's like, wow, like these are complete fall colors. And we got this at, where did we get this one?
Home Goods.
We got this at Home Goods, also one of our favorite stores ever since we became homeowners.
There are these little pumpkins.
It's like flowers, but pumpkins.
Yes, these are
pretty cool. It's actually very
creative.
Yeah. So
if you guys have been watching our videos, you guys know which little console table thing we're talking about. So this is probably gonna go right there.
More Home Goods. Yes. And this is something that Ada's wanted like really bad.
Oh yes.
Some coasters. So
yes, because usually
they got little leaves on them.
Usually when we drink soda, sometimes it's like dripping water from it being in the refrigerator such a long time. So I just feel like it's easier to place them on these. And then Jorge's mom also has a whole bunch of these and I think they're very cute, honey. So we got some Thanksgiving.
More decor that says give thanks.
Also from Home Goods.
Also from Home Goods. So I'm telling you, we love the store. For us, it was like representing, like, you know, we have Junior. So it's kind of like a little truck, a little boy. I don't know. It was just cool. They had an orange one and a green one. So we decided to go with the orange one. As you guys can see, it's...
And then we also have this little sign from Home Goods. And it says, Hello Fall. So it's kind of in the same color as the other sign that we showed you guys. But this one's a lot smaller.
Nice little pumpkin that we saw. The color was very nice. And more fall decorative stuff.
This also was my favorite part.
This was at
Home Goods.
Also, it's this one.
The owls in there?
Oh. Got like another little acorn thing. You can see.
What I liked about this is that it has this little flat area right here. And so then when you place it like on a shelf or something, it's gonna be
Flat.
pretty flat and stable, so it's not gonna be like tipping over or anything like that. So that's why I liked this a lot.
Oh, another thing from Home Goods that we got these flowers. You know, these.
This video is also not sponsored by Home Goods. We just really like Home Goods. And so I just decided to change it up to fall this time.
You can't do fall stuff without
Scarecrows.
scarecrows. So we got this little scarecrow that you can sit on like shelves. Looks like it's sitting down, and it's just really nice. We saw it. We're like, oh dang, look at that.
Got a little squirrel. This is what the squirrel looks like.
Inside a pumpkin.
And she is inside of a pumpkin, and it says be thankful right here, which is very cute. She reminds me of the movie Bambi.
Hello fall sign that we found, and we got it in orange.
Yes, so if you guys didn't notice by now, the colors that we're going through is like brown and orange and green,
A little bit of white.
a little bit of white, a whole bunch of fall colors that I thought were nice. So this is what this little sign looks like. And then another little thing that I was so obsessed with when we saw it was this little owl. I think this owl is super cute. It'll go perfect on a shelf, and it's just so cute, guys. They say that owls are good luck, so now we have an owl in our house, honey.
Mm-hmm.
Super cute.
Little white owl.
Yes.
Another pumpkin. Show it off, baby.
Another pumpkin. It has a little gray leaf right here, as you guys can see, and it's nice and glossy. And I have plans for this pumpkin to go in that little decor table thing, honey, in the kitchen table. So this is what it looks like.
Very nice. Another pumpkin.
Yes, another pumpkin, this time in a little burnt orange.
We found another pumpkin with that one too, as you guys can see.
Very pumpkin-y. As you guys know, fall, pumpkins, Halloween.
Around the fall time, there's Halloween. So we found this little thing that says Boo on it, which is really nice. And what really was cool about it is that if you take the hat off, it's actually a candle.
Yes, and it
How
smells
does
pretty
that
good.
sound?
I like it, honey.
Smells pretty good.
Very
So-
fall themed, very
Mhm.
fall scent, honey. Very
Look at
cute.
that. It's cool. Look at this.
If you guys made it this far into the video, make sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and let us know what your favorite part of this video has been so far.
Like what decor you like the best.
Mm-hmm.
Is there a specific decor that you guys like in regards to fall? Like we have a lot of things here. So I mean, do you guys like flowers? Do you guys like the scarecrows or pumpkins?
Let us know down in the comments what you guys like decorating for the fall with.
It's, again.
This is super cute, and we plan on pairing it with,
It's like kind of like orangey pillow.
yes,
That see how it goes? It matches really nice.
this is, yes.
Goes gonna go on our couch, the living room, and along with all this other stuff, good stuff that we have, it's gonna. Our house is gonna feel very fallish.
Yes.
If that's a word, fallish.
And now for the big stuff.
We found this
Welcome sign.
welcome sign that we're gonna put in front of the door, the front door. Cool. Look at this. Look at this. And the nice part about this is that it's very nice and it wasn't that expensive. We were looking at the
Reefs.
and my God, they were pricey, but
Yes, and this one was nice also because it's heavy, and so when the reefs are like lightweight, they're very easily to like get flown out of the door, or at least it was with the other ones that we had. So we just thought that this would be a lot heavier and easier to stay on.
yeah. We bought one of these.
Yes.
And we bought a twin pair.
Oh, these are probably gonna, not probably, they are going to go in the front of the house. We're gonna try to get them into the dirt really hard. We kind of have problems with these because when we were building the house, the type of ground, right, honey?
Mm-hmm.
The type of ground or whatever it is that they use, it's really hard to like stick it in there. So hopefully we have better luck with
We'll
these.
make it happen. This is nice too. And we saw a couple more things that we liked. We didn't get it, but I'm pretty sure most likely we're gonna go get it because pretty excited. This is our first time decorating our house for fall.
Yes, as you guys can see, we are very excited to decorate our house. This is the first house that we've had together, and we're able to like decorate everything in the middle of planning a whole wedding, honey.
Like Ada said, if you guys enjoyed any part of this video in regards to like your favorite part or your favorite decoration, go ahead and leave a comment on the bottom and let us know. Let us know what you guys like the most about it and what you guys like for fall or autumn. Like little pumpkins.
So if you guys enjoyed this video, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure that you stay tuned for our fall decorate with us.
We're definitely gonna get more stuff, but we can't wait to show you guys how we end up decorating and putting all this stuff together. Our living room, it's gonna feel like you're out in the trees somewhere, and it's fall.
See you guys next time.
Bye-bye.